Hello everyone, what's up? I'm here in the south of France for a week and I am going to be vlogging in the mountains and all these things, so I hope you guys are going to be following me. So this is my camp. This is my campsite room. Why didn't put the toilet brush like that? Like, seriously? Anyways, I have a shower. Yes?
Can I wear flip-flops to dinner?
Yeah?
I can?
Yes?
Okay, thanks.
This is my bedroom. I have two beds. But them short, oh my god. So yeah, this is my room, guys. This is my room. I have a balcony. Excuse me. Don't do that. I don't want people climbing over like that. Are you crazy? Now here I am, excited to go for dinner now. And the first food the people that have available is Tun Cornmeal. Now I don't eat Tun Cornmeal in Jamaica for all these years. And I come to France and the first meal them have out is Tun Cornmeal. I feel away. I feel away. The little Tun Cornmeal never tastes too bad, I'm not gonna lie. I had to swallow my pride and eat it. And it actually never tastes too bad. Broker master go on with themselves, man. But I don't know, for some reason I never ever tried Tun Cornmeal in my life. I remember one time my auntie cook it give me. And I decided to I go hungry. I'm go hungry, you know. Did not try the Tun Cornmeal, but I tried this one and it was okay. So I've eaten something for the first time in my life in France, Tun Cornmeal. Look at Cornmeal, give me a little strength, because now I'm going hiking in the mountains. So here we are on the bridge. We're just going up into the mountains for a little hike. We're gonna go all the way up. Almost started. It is reaching me. So this is a little castle, guys. A little castle. Not sure what type of castle or who built it or what, but just a little chateau up here in the woods. Oh, never know the bush they're fine. Whole heap of bush. I'm tired already, you know. I am boss. I'm just start walk for about 5 minutes. But I'm going up into the hills. And this is the top of the castle. Looks really beautiful, actually. Keep it up there and pray. This is some Catholic thing, guys. Yeah. It's a nice bridge over there, like a Roman bridge. I don't know what type of tree this is, but it's a nice red thing. Looks like dopey berry.
Alors pour pouvoir
Pour nettoyer et
pour
pour
net-
organiser tous les deux.
Bravo. Exactement. Donc ils ont organisé les chemins en nettoyant les terrains. Tous les terrains sont des parcelles.
Lots and lots of rock stone. This is what we call rock steady. So this is a section that was burnt by fire. C'était pas parce qu'il était chaud, c'est des gens qui l'ont brûlé ou on sait pas.
Comme il faut, oui.
So he's saying that sometimes it's criminals who just set the place on fire. All this air was burnt out. This air is the air that was burnt out by fire. Totally burnt out. I think it was a few months ago. There was a large bushfire in the south of France. And it was actually in this area. Wow. I came here a few years ago and it was really green and nice, like when we started the trek, and everything is gone. Wow, you can see that it was a massive fire. This was a massive fire. I'm here with my students. Whoa guys, just imagine the fire. It goes as far as my eyes can see. Wow. Ducks. Après if my phone drop over there.
Voilà, une petite journée de marche à 10 km.
Ouais.
Parfait.